Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. While Fortnite encourages social interaction, sometimes you may just want to focus on your game in solo or maintain some privacy. That's where Fortnite's Incognito Mode comes in handy. In this video, I will show you how to go anonymous and play Fortnite on your own terms. Let's go. Start by launching Fortnite. Then hit Escape to open the Settings menu. Head over to the Account and Privacy tab and navigate to the Gameplay Privacy section. Find the setting that says Hide your display name during regular gameplay and toggle it on. Once set, click Apply to save your changes. As soon as you start a game, you are now known as anonymous to players outside of your party or squad. However, your teammates will still be able to see your actual display name. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.